We're going to be starting a new virtual Bible study on our website, and I just want to give a few instructions on how to set it up. First of all, I'm just going to go ahead and lead you through how to get to the ladies' Bible study, but this can apply for anything that we put on our website forum section. So as you can see, we're at Missionary Baptist Church's website, mbcgreenwood.com. And I'm just going to go over here to this last header, and it's labeled Forum, and we're going to click on that. And this is where we are going to have our Bible studies listed and instructions for how to do it. And I will show you how you're able to do this. Not everybody can get in and look at this. If you click on the ladies' Bible study, which I have started putting together, it says, do you have an account? And so only those of us who have accounts set up that have been approved by anyone who is putting together our website, so that would be Pastor Jeff, or I have access for approval, and we are going to approve those that we know are part of our church or are friends of people from part of this church who want to be part of this Bible study. So this isn't open to just everybody. So I just want to give you the heads up. First off, you're going to have to log in, and this is going to be pretty easy. Right here, if you have not logged in before, you'll need to create a new login name, and this is it. You type your email, and then you create a password, and save this because you only get to type it once, and then you hit sign up, and then Pastor Jeff and I will get the notification that someone has tried to sign up, and as soon as we approve you, you will get an email sent to the email address that you have listed in this area. I have already set up mine, so I'm going to sign in, and I'm just going to use my old email that I started many years ago, and I'm signing in. All right, so if you look through here, now you're able to see more of the book of James Bible study. And the ladies and I will be going through this, but if we scroll up here, we can look at the MBC overall forum, and here in this section we have general discussion. So if you have any questions about the forum and how it works, you can list it here. It's pretty empty right now. Then we have the ladies' Bible study, and we have men's Bible study. My husband will work on that, and we can add or take away from this whenever we want to. So, and then at the bottom you have contact us. Let's see, let's go to the ladies' Bible study. I have set up a couple posts, and I would love for everyone to read this first. And when you click on this, it will bring up the post that I have written up. And first, it'll give you a link of where to download the Bible study, and then also where to download your workbook and where to listen to the Bible study. And then we'll go back up to the ladies' Bible study section. Click on that, and then we'll go to week 1. And I've given instructions about this, and in the next couple weeks I'll be filling out all of this. So week 1, I have the pages we need to cover in our workbook, and then the fill-in sheets, and then the website to go to listen to the podcast that matches the workbook that we've already downloaded. And then when you come down here, your name will be down here and your email will be here, and then you will be able to write a comment and we can start discussion about the information we've gone over. So let me think if there's anything else I need to go over. It's very simple, and one thing I do ask is that if your name for your email, because we only see your email when you sign up and request to be able to come into this forum, if your email does not mention your name, or we aren't able to immediately link you to your email, maybe it's based on your pet or something, then could you just drop us a note, whether it's a phone call or a text or an email or a message on Facebook, and say, hey, I just tried to add myself, and we'll check those as we go along, but we really want to keep this close so that it's our community working together and people that we do know in person. We're not against other communities that work with Bible studies, like on Facebook groups or where you don't know everybody, but we really would like to keep this more of a local thing. And that's not to say that we don't want you to invite other people. If you think of someone who might benefit from this James Bible study, then please let us know that you've invited them and just give us a heads up, and then we can accept them. But we are going to be picky about who we add to our forums because this will be open to them, and we just want to keep it more on the private side for our church for right now. So if you have any questions, give me a call or send me a message and we will go from there. And then when you are finished checking it, this James Bible study will update weekly. When you're finished checking it, you can check it once a week, a couple times a week, just to see where the conversation is leading. If you have questions, you're welcome to add them to this comment thread. When you're done, you just go up here to this little drop down arrow and you log out, and then you are done. And then you can come back to home and you're back at our homepage for Missionary Baptist Church. All right, so if you have any questions, drop me a message or give me a call and we will work through it with you. We look forward to doing this Bible study and other future Bible studies together, and just thankful for technology during this turbulent time, but also something we can use when things level out and become a little more normal.